Do not know what you're talking about. Oh, thanks Kuya Bear for reprimanding Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. You know Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, I'm saying to you, stop criticizing the Duterte family. Stop criticizing Rodrigo Duterte with the F word. You do not know what you're talking about. That is really unprospective. When you're saying about bad words, you're saying about curse words, and I'm just gonna say to you, Mark Cruz, why can't you just stop cursing Rodrigo Duterte? I'm just telling you. Because he's very sick, Mark Cruz. If Rodrigo Duterte is a born-again Christian, just like Christian Mengito, just like Jerick Silva, why are you criticizing Rodrigo Duterte? Mark Cruz, he's the president of the Philippines. Are you nuts? If he's a president of the Philippines, would you ever curse the former president of the Philippines with the F word when you say a fuck word? Mark Cruz, I say to you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, if you don't stop criticizing Rodrigo Duterte, I will bash Sam Rascal. You know, thanks to Kuya Bear, Kuya Bear says to me, you need to stop for saying bad words. I say to Mark Cruz, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, with all due respect, Rodrigo Duterte is very sick. He's old. Just like Teacher May. Teacher May is very sick also. She has a stage 3 colon cancer. Would I ever accuse Teacher May? No. I apologize, Teacher May, sincerely. I always pray for her when I talk to Kuya Park Official, when I talk to Jerick Silva, when I talk to Shania Kiana. They already know. Even the Duterte supporters, they already know about the situation of my former teacher in CDIFI, Teacher May. Unlike you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, why you say a bad words over at Rodrigo Duterte? Let me think you something, Mr. Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. Why did you want to criticize Rodrigo Duterte? What is the perspective that you want to accuse the President of the Philippines that he doesn't do anything to you? For example, he's fighting against the criminals like pickpocketing, robberies, rapists, and murderers like who were drug addict. Even Modus Gang during the time of war on drugs of Rodrigo Duterte. Is this what you like, Mark Cruz? Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. I'm just saying to you, you are a bully of the Autism Society of the Philippines. You've been allied with the Marcos loyalists together with Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jima Casandil, Sangkay Janjan, and Nino Barsaga, and Romeo TV Vlog. Is this what you like to curse Rodrigo Duterte, Mark Cruz, Is this what you think it is? You want to curse anybody in social media? And you calling me the word niga? Mark Cruz, I'm just telling you, everyone will hate you, Mark Cruz, because I already told to Shania Kiana, Shania, Just reprimand Mark Cruz. Tell him to stop saying bad words at Rodrigo Duterte with the F word. What is that word? The word fuck word. Oh. That is nonsense, Mark Cruz. What if you say that bad words many times? Are you a born again Christian, Mark Cruz? You don't know that Christian Mengito, born again Christian. Wawel Romero, Paula Colin Nunez, Mark Pasiones, Shania Kiana, oh, they're born again Christian. There's only a born again Christian who is a president of the Philippines. The 16th president is Rodrigo Duterte. He's also a born again Christian. Why you say bad words at Rodrigo Duterte? Mark Cruz. Don't you even know that Tatay Digong is a born-again Christian? Don't you even know that he declared war on drugs in Davao City and Metro Manila? If I were you, Mark Cruz, if Sara Duterte become a president of the Philippines, I know Sara Duterte is a born-again Christian. You better to be afraid, Mark Cruz. You better to stop posting against Sara Duterte. You are busted. Lagot ka, Mark Cruz. Just like I said before, when I talked to Kuya Park Official, I told him, pag hindi yan tumigil si Mark Cruz, magpo-post ng kung anong nung pagmumuran niya sa thread sa Instagram laban sa mga Duterte, and I'm telling him, sunugin mo na lang bahay ni Mark Cruz. You can arson his house in San Pedro, Laguna. And then if you burn Mark Cruz's house, there will be no house for Mark Cruz. So, what's your perspective, Mark Cruz, when you saying bad words at Rodrigo Duterte? Like I say to you, Mark Cruz, inaano ka ba ng mga Duterte? Like for example, Baste, Paulo, Veronica Kitty Duterte, who else? Baste Duterte. Are you criticizing the Duterte family, Mark Cruz? Don't you even know Rodrigo Duterte is very old, very sick, that you don't know what you're talking about? Don't you even know, Mark Cruz, that Teacher Jessa Fernandez and Sir Calvin Cuevas, their ninong is Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte? Don't you even know that Ate Hana and Kuya Mel had no Rodrigo Duterte, especially Bongo? Oh. They met them. They met Rodrigo Duterte. Oh. Teacher Jessa met Rodrigo Duterte 2016 alongside with Calvin Cuevas. Oh. Ate Hana and Kuya Mel had met Rodrigo Duterte during the time of the event of funeral. And she met Bongo. Oh. Is this what you like, to curse Rodrigo Duterte, Mark Cruz? Is this what you like? Is this what you perspective? You saying bad words? Coming back from your dirty mouth and filthy mouth? I'm just gonna say to you, Mr. Mark Cruz, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, I put you in my enemy list, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. If I were you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, manahimik ka na lang. Just shut up, Mark Cruz. I'm saying to you, shut the fuck up, Mark Cruz. Oh, I do not say bad words. Because Paula is gonna say, will watch this. Even the viewers will watch this. Oh, I do not say bad words. If I say to you, Mark Cruz, in Filipino, manahimik ka na lang. It's a word. Why can't you just shut up? Because you're ruining Rodrigo Duterte. Oh. Look at Ramlial. Ramlial, I mentioned from CDIFI. Oh. Ramlial, he doesn't post anything in Facebook. Ramlial never posts in Instagram. Because he's non-partisan. Like Luis Cabales, non-partisan. He doesn't post any about political affiliation. He was continue to go to church in Catholic. Oh, like you, Mark Cruz. Can you just be non-political? Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. You're just listening to Carl Vilus and you're saying about political affiliation. I mean, I am a non-political as I'm a Shia Muslim. I don't post any political posts in Instagram, Facebook, even threads in Meta. I never post anything. Like you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, I'm telling you, the Duterte supporters are backlashing against you, Mark Cruz. That you are claim yourself you are a BBM supporter. Oh, they are backlashing you, Mark Cruz. Do you want to be happen to Vice Ganda that she was being backlash and she was being bashed by Duterte supporters? You will be bashed, Mark Cruz. Believe me. The Duterte supporters will bash you, Mark Cruz. I am telling you.